You liking that?
She's doing good.
Oh, that was Daddy's mistake. Daddy got it on your nose. Really?
Give me more. Give me more. That's hilarious. You're doing so good.
Well, open up. Get that tongue out of the way.
Your phone card's not in here. Oh. So what, is it saved to the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah. You're catching on. You gotta move that tongue out of the way. Here you go. Oh! Just trying to hold on to it like a bottle.
Mhm. She loves it. Look at her.
She's just gotta get
We need
more
to change the
She's just gotta get more of it in her mouth.
Oh, this isn't. That's very. First time using it.
Okay. Oh, that was a good little mouthful.
Good thing she's having a bath tonight. Have you tried like with the tip facing, like so it's kind of going in, or did that not work? Yeah. And kind of point it downwards, maybe.
I can't get it past your tongue.
Yeah,
that way,
she's
though.
sticking her tongue out. She's trying to get it to eat. She wants it to go down like a bottle does. She's getting frustrated.
Yeah, see. Okay. Fair
She's
bit.
eating it though.
There you go. There you go. Here.
It's like all in her neck.
Well, you gotta move your. There, you gotta get it past your tongue, sweetie.
She's trying to eat it like a bottle.
Yeah.
That one just came back
That
out.
one didn't really work. Oh, okay. licking it up right now. You know,
Mhm.
really.
Well, she's just trying to figure the whole thing out. We're gonna have to get you in the bath right after this. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. She's like, give it to me. There you go. She's trying to lick it.
There you go. You like it, this stuff, eh?
Yeah, she's like, I just want more of it right now.
Oh, careful. What are you doing?
Up her nose.
Open up.
Let's get a good shot of that one. Look at that face. Alright, alright. Sorry. Look at it's like swimming in her neck. Alright. We're running out of time. So
Okay.
already at 8 minutes.
Eating good, though.
Yeah! That was a good one. Yeah, get one last shot of that face. Even though you're just... How do I stop?
Same button again.
Okay. Follow Daddy.
You don't need a shot again.
Ah!